I'll be doing today. I no go swallow fufu, I no go chop jollof rice now. With the chop vegetable, Irish potatoes. Yes guys, we just do like that. Irish potatoes, it won't start to spoil. So we go clean them. We go on with vegetable, carrot, paprika, peas. Just join everything, put them for oven. Guys, just wait, you go see them. As I go clean them like this, I go put salt, make marinate inside. All these big ones, cut it. Yes. Our onion, ginger, onion grind is already ready. This, let me show you our chicken. We'll be cooking with chicken. Yes. We'll roast it with chicken. Chicken is already ready to marinate it, season it. Yes, guys, we'll cut the big potatoes so that it will feel and it will feel they fine for oven. We're going to put them for oven tray. Yes, so hot some. Today we're not going to eat fufu. We'll be eating veggies and Irish potatoes. Yes, so. See, these are Irish potatoes. My wonderful people, say we don't finish them. Before one wash them, we'll put salt. Make it move the water for the Irish potatoes. This preparation of we mix them like this. We'll mix and we'll keep them. After we wash them, we'll pass for our chicken. We have our chicken lap. I'll be doing three chicken. So we get our Maggi. Just put salt, not too much. Black pepper. We get curry. We'll mix everything. Season them. When the potatoes ready now, we'll mix everything. So this one get a big season. This is pepperish pepper. When we won't put now, I will put this one a paprika. Paprika. This one a paprika. It will give us flavor. Paprika. This is garlic. This is thyme. I just buy this one, so that's why. Thyme, oh, you don't enter. Thyme, oh, you don't enter. Thyme. Everything done finished. Then we'll put our spice. Yes. So we'll put our grounded onion, ginger. Ginger, why I don't grind. Onion, why I don't grind. Everything. So I go get the flavor. Flavor of a very Yes, so then we mix, give it a mix. Huh? Mix the chicken so that make the chicken enter well, make it enter inside. Hey, as papa they put her inside now, so you get for enter inside. What I go they see her. See. Voila. Voila, 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 voila. No one make salt pass, as you dey do am, you go dey taste am. Dey okay. Make it no dey like after like this. Pepper dey, we go put soya pepper later. Soya pepper now later. After the potatoes go down shit water, go wash them. Then we that time this one don't marinate, we go remix everything, mix it. Okay, make I wash my hand. We go cover our. We go cover. Make we wipe our hand. Make we cover them. Keep them for some time. Make it season now. Season low season now. Nah. Biko. Cut them for normal cutting way. Yes, so cover them for the coverable. You can put it inside your fridge. And then for some